green dreams on a budget. Your lawn care adventure awaits. Ready to turn your passion for lawn care into a thriving business? With just $1,000, you can start your own lawn care venture. The lawn care business is perfect for this. For just $1,000, you can turn your love for the outdoors into a profitable venture. Don't worry if you're starting small. With a bit of planning and resourcefulness, that $1,000 can be your stepping stone to success. Let's dive in and explore how you can make it happen. We'll cover everything from choosing the right equipment to finding your first clients. Get ready to get your hands dirty and watch your business grow. Starting with just $1,000 is completely doable. We're going to break down the process into simple steps. You'll be surprised how much you can achieve with a little planning and effort. Let's get started. Please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel. A skill check. What's your lawn care know-how? Before you start mowing lawns, it's important to know what you're doing. Do you know how to cut grass evenly? Can you trim edges for a clean look? Are you familiar with basic lawn care practices? Start with services you're comfortable with. Mowing, trimming, and edging are great starting points. As you gain experience and confidence, you can add more services like fertilizing, weed control, and even landscaping. Remember, you don't need to be an expert from day one. There are plenty of resources available to help you learn and improve your skills. You can find online tutorials, attend workshops, or even shadow an experienced landscaper. The key is to start with what you know and gradually expand your services. This approach allows you to learn as you go and build a solid foundation for your business. Money matters. Stretching your $1,000 startup fund. With a limited budget, every dollar counts. You need to be smart about how you allocate your $1,000. Here's a possible breakdown. Equipment, 60% $600. This includes a reliable lawnmower, trimmer, edger, and basic tools like gloves, a rake, and a leaf blower. Marketing, 10% $100. Allocate funds for flyers, business cards, and possibly a simple website. Transportation, 10% $100. This covers gas and vehicle maintenance. Miscellaneous, 20% $200. This buffer covers unexpected expenses or allows you to invest in additional marketing. Remember, this is just a starting point. You can adjust the categories based on your specific needs and circumstances. The key is to be mindful of your spending and make every dollar work for you. Section 4. Gearing up. Finding affordable lawn care equipment. You don't need the most expensive equipment to start. Your priority is a reliable lawnmower. Look for used mowers in good condition. You can often find great deals online or at local pawn shops. For other tools like trimmers and edgers, consider buying used or even renting them until you can afford to buy your own. Many home improvement stores offer tool rental services at reasonable rates. Don't forget about the little things. Invest in quality gloves, safety glasses, and ear protection. These items are essential for your safety and comfort while you work. Remember, it's better to start with well-maintained used equipment than to splurge on new tools and compromise on quality or reliability. Section 5. Spreading the word, marketing your lawn care business. Word of mouth is your best friend. Talk to your friends, family, and neighbors about your new business. Offer a discount for referrals to incentivize them to spread the word. Flyers are a cost-effective way to reach a wider audience. Distribute them in your neighborhood, at local businesses, and on community bulletin boards. Make sure your flyers are clear, concise, and visually appealing. In today's digital age, an online presence is crucial. Create a simple website or social media page to showcase your services and contact information. You can also list your business on online directories and marketplaces. Remember, marketing is an ongoing process. Consistently put yourself out there and don't be afraid to ask for referrals from satisfied clients. Section 6. Customer first, delivering top-notch service. Providing excellent service is crucial for building a loyal customer base. Be reliable, always show up on time, and be courteous and professional in all your interactions. Pay attention to detail and take pride in your work. A beautifully manicured lawn is your best advertisement. Ask for feedback from your clients and be responsive to their needs and preferences. Consider offering package deals or discounts for recurring services to incentivize repeat business. A happy customer is more likely to recommend you to others. Remember, your reputation is everything in the service industry. Go above and beyond to exceed your clients' expectations, and they'll keep coming back for more. Section 7. Growing green. Reinvesting and expanding your business. As your business grows, reinvest your profits wisely. Upgrade your equipment, expand your service offerings, and consider hiring help to manage the workload. You can also invest in continuing education to enhance your skills and stay up to date with the latest lawn care trends and techniques. Don't be afraid to set ambitious goals for your business. With hard work, dedication, and a commitment to providing excellent service, you can turn your $1,000 investment into a thriving lawn care empire. Remember, starting small doesn't mean thinking small. Dream big, work hard, and watch your lawn care business flourish. Please like, share, and subscribe to support our channel and stay updated with more tips.